Productions, Rhino here, cooking with the Rhino. We're making a little enchilada casserole, chicken variety. Get the tortilla, you put it in the sauce, which is hot. Dip it in here. We're gonna make a little casserole, just like an enchilada, but we're gonna build it like a lasagna. We got the tortillas down. We build a layer, just like the noodles you're gonna go with. Then we get some of the shredded chicken I made with onions, chicken, pasilla peppers. We're gonna spread that on there, and we're just gonna layer it. You're gonna just layer it in here all the way, like that. Nice big hunk in chunks. Spread it out a little bit. And then the next step after that, we will put a little queso, and we're gonna build it just like a lasagna all the way up. We're gonna add some black olives as well on this layer and every layer. And it's gonna be awesome. It's good stuff. It's like eating an enchilada, but it's gonna be like a lasagna casserole. See here, a little more. Get the shredded chicken down. And we just bake it in the oven. You could do this the day before. See that? Put a little more chicken in here. Break it up a little bit. Get a little more sauce. Get a little sauce in here. Put a little sauce on here. A little more sauce on the chicken. Get it all nice and coated. Boom. Just like that. Now, we get the queso. We'll build a layer of the queso. Boom. We go about 4 layers. 3 to 4 layers. All depends. Throw some olives. So this is Cooking with Rhino. Peace out, everyone back there in Connecticut and in California. Later, boys. BDG Productions, Studio 69, out.